Hello.
Today, I'll be showing you guys my tracking spotlight and camera. This is probably just an showcase, but the model's links are down in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to ask it in the comment box. Over here, I have the spotlight model. And here, I have the camera model. I don't wanna say much, because I am lazy when editing this video. But this models doesn't need any installations, it is just simple. After I change the day, the spotlight works with two technologies. We can't see the light anymore because it is out of bounds. Just rotate the light down, so that way we can see it again. Let's try it using the future technology. The spotlight starts looking at any player. If you're using the future technology, it may look delayed. As for the camera, it also works. Just don't go really near it. The spotlight is the best thing I ever made. But I still recommended you to use the shadow map technology, that way it doesn't look delayed. Forgot to mention that the camera's texture couldn't be loaded for some reason. That way it's colored black. Also, if you have a request or a question, just leave it in the comment box. Also, I've been working on a game these past few months. I need side characters for the trailer. The deadline is October 1st or October 5th, so whoever wants to volunteer, feel free to ask in the comment box. That's all for today, bye.